What is the best way to invest in pre-IPO? Which pre-IPO company do you recommend? Yeah. So there's a website called Second Market, and there's a bunch of others as well. And it gets complicated because a lot of times if you want to invest in privately held companies that are backed by venture capital firms, pre-IPO, you have to get approval from the board. And the board has what's called the ROFR, ROFR, which stands for Right of First Refusal. And so they have to kind of approve you if it's a sizable investment. Aside from that, I'd be careful, man, because it depends on the share class as well. So the way it works is this. If you buy stocks in the stock market, you're usually buying common shares, okay? Basically, you're the lowest of the low. Talking about myself when I buy stocks, okay? But when you buy stocks for private companies, you can buy common shares or preferred shares. And just like the name preferred, you get preferential treatment. The common shareholders can easily get diluted big time in these private companies. So if you're going to do it, I want you to get the investor offering memorandum, and I want you to hire a lawyer to read it. It's a worthwhile investment, I promise you. And you got to be careful with private companies too, because it can take forever to get a liquidity event to be able to harvest that investment, meaning a company buys it in M&A or if they go public. Just be really, really careful about that, please. And don't ever invest in any product without reading the investor offering memorandum first. Now, if you want to get access to a lawyer for only $15, I'm not sponsored by anybody, nor will I ever be. Okay. But what you can do, you can go to this website, which is called LegalZoom. And for $15, I think you got to sign up for 6 months. You could set up a call to talk to any type of attorney. For $30 a month, maybe it's a little bit more now. This is what I do. You can talk to them about setting up trademarks or copyrights or patents. I don't do patents, but I do trademarks and copyrights a lot. Yeah. So anyway, I would check that out. And also, I don't think that any of us should do our own taxes if you're making money. And the reason is because there's a lot of loopholes you just don't know about because the tax code changes all the time. And so an accountant is a great investment. Last thing I'll say in this is this. Ask your accountant also, should I invest in this company? And they won't give you investment advice, but they will tell you, the tax consequences of you investing in it, or if you can put it into your retirement savings program before you invest. Because once you invest, it's hard to move that into your retirement account. You kind of have to do it before, if it's applicable to you in the country you live in. Yeah.